Hey guys, welcome to part 2. I just kind of jumped right back in here. So these bolts are my nemesis. This has warmed up. It's still cool because we're in a basement and there aren't too many vents sitting around here. This is an unfinished basement, so it's a little chilly as compared to a heated space. So everything's warmed up. I've let these kind of soak in with some, I never got some penetrating oil because weather here got bad. I didn't want to go out. But I did WD-40 them, and now I'm going to try with this bar here because I tried at the end of part 1, you might have noticed, I told you. But I was trying without the bar, with just the handle and the socket there, and it slipped, and I hit my finger in this, and it just... I won't show you my finger, but it chomped into there pretty good, and it doesn't feel good, and this is all swollen now, and it didn't feel good. So now I'm using the breaker bar, or the extension, not the breaker bar. But let's see if I can get some good leverage here, and that's not great. Let's see if I can just flip it over then. See, this is the absolute last piece of the puzzle here, because once I can get this off, then I believe these two sides are going to come loose. Let's see, is this even in the shot? That's good enough. This is just moving too much. Let's see. I don't want to be in your way. Yeah, this is difficult with this angling and everything. I guess I'm just going to be in your way. I'll just speed this up. See, just not getting tight enough on there. Let me get a 12 point or whatever. What was this, a 14? There's 13. 14, 13, there we go. And because I did WD-40 the crap out of this, I don't know if this is really going to help, but let's see. Actually, since now I'm going the other way, I'm just going to speed through all this. I don't know why I'm even bothering to talk. What I really need, I'll just do this. You know, if this wouldn't have started moving just now, I was thinking how bad would it suck if this actually had like reverse threads or something. You know what, actually, we're going to bring it on the floor down here. It's shaking my whole table. So, let's see. That's pretty well in frame and shot and stuff. Okay, I'm back. So I was able to get this bolt off. It was near impossible, and the way I was able to get it, as I'm sure a bunch of you were already saying in the comments, use a breaker bar. Well, I decided to use this handle. This is a sturdy handle, but I put it over my socket here, which is also really sturdy. It's cobalt. So if you guys are ever at Lowe's and you want some high quality tools, this did not bend, did not break. The socket still looks great. The nut, on the other hand, or the bolt I should say, it's not looking great. I think that's why it was so impossible to remove. Yeah, that thing is looking a little bit beat up. So yeah, that one went here, and the one on the other side is still there because it is just not budging. And let's see how bad this one looks. This one doesn't look that bad, but the other one is like smooth now, so I might have to drill it out, cut it off, whatever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out to my garage because that's where I have my vise, and I'm going to set this in there, clamp it in, and try to bang that out. That might not be the best idea, but you know, we'll find out because I don't see any other way to take that apart. Okay, so fully disassembled. Here it all is. So this, as far as I can tell, this does not come apart any more than this. I'm going to reach out to a couple people to confirm that, but it's not moving. It's not budging. I was kind of hoping I could take the actual reel itself out, but it doesn't look like I can, and that's fine. It's going to make it a little painful to paint. Things like that, I'll just have to be careful and not lazy. Here's the bed knife, which the bolt holding it snapped clean, very cleanly. Look at that clean snap there. That's phenomenal. Very unfortunate. I think it's, yep. So I'll have to figure out how to get that out of there. But as far as I can tell, the bed knife looks really good. I wish this would focus. There we go. So it looks really good. I think I just need to kind of level it, which I reached out to somebody, talked to them about how to do that. And I'll make a video on that. But it's basically use a felt tip marker and a super fine file and just take a really long time and be gentle. And I got a felt tip marker, I got a super fine file, and I got some patience because I got all winter to do all this. All right, well, that's a wrap on this. This is the full disassembly as far as I can tell. If I can take that apart later, if I find out, then I'll let you know. But if you liked this video and you like some of my other videos, make sure to like. I think it's going to be down there. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment on this video or any other video you want. Also check me out on Instagram. I'm Lazy Lawns, same as the YouTube name, no space though. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.